So we are in Milan and I just had vegan gelato here. It was really yummy. It was on my wish list, and they even had pizza here. And unfortunately the market is closed, so we cannot shop. We are just looking for some food or if something is open. So we traveled from Tromso to Milan, so it was a bit hectic and we rested in our hotel after coming here. So the airport is a bit far away from the town, from the city. So we took a train, and Norway was pretty good. So we are in Milan. We are close to the city center, and there are many fashion boutiques here, but most of them are very pricey as expected, and I'm not really into high-end designer wear, and I am looking forward to eating more than shopping. So, but yeah, I want to find something which is made of non-animal leather, like a bag or something. And the architecture is also quite interesting here. I think this woman was waving at me and they thought that I'm recording them or something. We had pasta last night, and even that decor that they have after their meals, it was really good. And the weather is also pleasant compared to Norway and France.
How much is that juice? 350.
I have reached Duomo. I don't know the exact name. And we did a lot of shopping also, and we are satisfied now because Milan is the world's fashion capital, and we wanted to shop from here. We found some shops with comparatively affordable prices, and we also ate vegan gelato. So we are having a lot of fun in Milan. Although our first impressions of Italy weren't nice because we were frustrated that we had to change trains to reach Milan from its airport, and the stations were not at all what we were expecting of a European country. But just look at this. This building is so beautiful. And even this structure is very pretty. I am loving the architecture of Italy. It is very beautiful. The vibe of Italy is quite good if you come to a city like Milan. And the food is amazing and it's affordable. I wanted to try Italian food in Italy because it's one of my favorite cuisines, and I've done it. I also had coffee. I had a soya cappuccino at an Italian bakery, and I'm really satisfied now. And you can find almost every fashion brand here in Milan. Maybe that's why it is like The reason is maybe because Milan is the world's fashion capital. I will read up more on Milan and this Duomo. This is one of the top attractions of Milan, and that is Galleria, the famous shopping center of Milan. It has quite a history, and we'll be going there too. So if you like antique buildings, this is the place to come to. I hope I think even this Galleria would be quite an experience. I'm at Navili Canal. It's a neighborhood with these traditional canals of Milan. So today is our last day in Europe. I mean, yeah. And I think I really miss Italian food. I had the best of foods here in Italy. And even vegan food is available here, so I did not face much problems, and even the prices of the foods are quite good, and I'm hoping to find some good food here in this neighborhood as well.